Having a balanced diet and an active lifestyle can be difficult for some to implement into their daily routine, and it can be hard to have or find the motivation to start and maintain these lifestyle changes. What if implementing and maintaining these lifestyle changes were critical to your health? Would you have the motivation to have a balanced diet and an active lifestyle if your health depended on it? Well, if you have type 2 diabetes, your weight can affect your diabetes, and your diabetes can affect your weight. Most kids and teens that are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes are overweight, which increases a person's risk for developing type 2 diabetes and makes it more difficult to control blood sugar levels. Being overweight isn't the only risk factor, though. Other risk factors include having a parent or a sibling with type 2 diabetes, currently are pre-diabetic, rarely physically active, and are African American, Hispanic Latino American, American Indian, or an Alaska Native, but some Pacific Islanders and Asian Americans are also at a higher risk. Type 2 diabetics have a condition called insulin resistance. Insulin resistance means that their bodies are able to produce insulin, but their bodies aren't able to use it for its function of moving glucose into the cells, and this causes an unhealthy amount of glucose in the blood. Because of this, the pancreas produces more insulin, trying to fix the problem, the unhealthy amount of glucose in the blood. The body cannot carry out this task forever, thus causing the pancreas to wear out and not able to continue to produce enough insulin to maintain normal blood glucose levels. That might not be alarming enough to some to change their health behaviors and or see a physician for medical guidance, but these effects of not treating type 2 diabetes should set off sirens. When blood sugar levels rise significantly, symptoms of excessive thirst, frequent urination, blurry vision, fatigue, repeated skin infection flare-ups, and poor wound healing become a new part of life. If diabetes goes undiagnosed and continues to go undiagnosed, conditions will gradually progress over time. High blood sugar can affect various cells and organs in the body, causing complications including kidney damage, which leads to dialysis, eye damage, which can cause blindness, increased risk of heart disease or stroke, neuropathy, which is nerve damage, gastroparesis, and can even lead to hyperosmolar hyperglycemic non-ketotic state, also known as a coma. Now, I hope that you are highly considering changing your lifestyle to prevent or delay type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Being at a healthy weight and maintaining is immensely important. You'll feel better, you'll have more energy, you will be able to better control your blood sugar levels. To determine if you're at a healthy weight, you can visit your doctor to see what your BMI is, which is your body mass index. Buy all the food for your meals and prepare them at home. Don't oversnack or sneak snacks. Eat when you are hungry and have a scheduled meal and snack times. Avoid dark drinks and carbonated drinks. Water is your best option for your health and for your body to thrive. Implementing an active lifestyle doesn't mean that you need to get a gym membership and spend hours on end lifting weights, running. It means that you should be physically active for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. You can go play a sport, you can go on a hike or a walk, or you can get a gym membership if you would like. But you should do whatever active activities that are appealing to you, that your body can handle, and that are fun. So do not tell yourself that you are fat or that you want to be thin. This will only cause negative feelings and create a poor self-image, which in return will cause your progress to digress. Tell yourself that you're becoming healthier, and this will help you actually realize all of the progress that you have made and are making in your balanced diet, your active lifestyle, and your weight. Do not cheat yourself. You are entitled to have the opportunity to give yourself the most fulfilled life and happiest life that you deserve. If you think that you could be at risk for type 2 diabetes, go see your doctor and they will help you throughout your whole journey, and they will help you throughout your whole new healthy lifestyle changes.